Researchers at Germany's Karlsruhe Institute of Technology warn that ordinary Wi-Fi signals could transform into an invisible mass surveillance system. Professor Torsten Struve and researcher Julian Tott from KIT's Castel Security Lab demonstrated near-perfect identification accuracy using everyday routers and machine learning on 107 volunteers. Their tests achieved up to 100% accuracy in seconds by analyzing unique signal distortions caused by individuals' body movements, even with phones powered off. Sources confirm this passive technique exploits unencrypted radio waves from devices like TVs, printers, and home routers, turning them into tracking tools without user consent. The researchers call for urgent changes to the IEEE 802 tunnel well and BF standard to prevent widespread privacy erosion in public spaces, offices, and homes. Industry analysts say what this means is, everyday Wi-Fi networks could soon enable unprecedented behavioral profiling by governments and corporations. Watch for upcoming IEEE responses and potential regulatory actions on Wi-Fi security standards.
vp.net, the only VPN that you don't have to trust, because it can't spy on you.